All right, good morning, tractor fans. Today I'm looking at a Kubota BX2660. This unit's here on consignment. It includes a quick hitch, a front-end loader with a bucket, and a mid-mount belly mower. Check the description. I'm not sure if it's a 54 or a 60. I'll have to check the deck over here. That would be a 60-inch deck, excuse me. We have 823 hours on the meter. And I gotta tell you, this thing is in pretty darn good shape. You got 4 good tires. Starts right up, doesn't have any issues. And looks like it was a pretty well taken care of machine. So based on the asking price that I heard, not a bad value. 4-wheel drive BX series tractor. Hard to beat these machines. Let's go ahead and give her a crank. Idle down a little. Good looking all around machine. We're here at Creel Tractor in Fort Myers, Florida. Come by and check us out.